In this video, I will show you how to add a lead form in Google Ads. To do this, simply go and open up Google Ads, and then from the campaign section under campaigns, go to Asset Groups. Now here you will be able to find all of your campaigns. Now just select the campaign you want to add the lead form to. So for example, I'll select the one at the top here, then just click on Edit Assets. Now from there, if it is a campaign for getting leads, you will see lead forms right there. So just click on the drop down and then click on plus lead forms. Now here you can then go and create a lead form. So you can write a headline and you will see right here where that shows up in the preview. Then you can add your business name and you can add a description. Now from there, select which fields people need to enter, such as their name, and then either first name and last name or full name in one box. Then if you want the email, select that. If you want the phone number, just enter everything right here that you need. They can also add work information and additional information, and you can add your own questions. So you can add custom fields, and you are also able to add a background image. And then here you can create a form submission message, which you can preview by clicking on submission message. And this is the standard one right here. Then you can select a call to action for your ad, such as contact us, book now, or for example, apply now. And then from there, click on save and then accept the terms of service. And then you have created this lead form. Now from there, just going to click on apply. And now you will see that I have applied this lead form to my Google ad. So now finally on the Google campaign, just scroll down and then here click save, and then it will be saved. And you have now added that Google lead form to this campaign. Now you can also add it to your other ones easier by clicking edit assets. And now that you have already created it, you can just go and select it by clicking plus lead forms and then select the one that you already have. So you can just click on the one right there and then hit apply and then also save it. And then now I have also added it to another campaign. So that's how to add a lead form in Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.